Okay, this one might be a 19 Mack Anthem. I have to look at the paperwork on it, but it has 504,764 miles on it, 12,813 hours on the truck. Does have power windows. It is missing the switch covers, but the switches themselves work. Over here on this side, so that works. Window, or the mirror. So this one over here, got it to come in. But can't get it to do anything else. So the switch might be a little boogered on that one. Power locks, they work. Try wipers. Got washer fluid on both of those. Wiper looks good. Turn signals. Turn signal. Got both of those. Radio.
Information barista.
So radio works.
Get the keys to a better drive.
So that works. AC's on. It's not super cold yet, but yeah. Air bags were down on this one. I don't know why. But anyway, we'll go for a drive real quick. So forward. Try reverse. So as far as I can tell, there's no check engine lights. There's nothing on this truck. It should be ready to jump in and drive home from what I can tell. Obviously, I haven't done a DOT inspection on it, but it should be ready to go from what I can see. So if you have any questions, feel free to call.